So we have arrived this morning as discussed with you earlier. We are at the site where we need to work on the generator, starting with the 50 kVA, where we tend to do an oil change, wash the radiator, and then replace the air filter. I will show you what we are able to do from this video. We have the parts needed here. Have the cooler and they have the air filter, we have the air filter and the air filter, including 2 gallons of engine oil. So normally it's better to carry out initial inspection, look at the generator, how dirty it is. I will show you before and after pictures of the generator. So normally before you start an engine, you need to check the oil level, it's okay. We need to check the coolant level. Okay. That is that. I'll go around and check, observe the engine carefully, and then we start the engine. Allow it to run for some time before shutting it down. Run for like 1 minute. Oh yeah. We'll shut it down and loose the guard to the radiator.